Hello and welcome to Creative Design and Supply. Today I want to show you a little sublimation hack on how to sublimate on a black shirt with glitter. And I'm going to do the full sheet. So first I am just going to tack this and press this for about 5 seconds. And it's actually at 320 and we are going to press this and peel the carrier off, and then we will sublimate. And I will tell you that I do have a thin piece of parchment paper in between here. So this design that I'm going to be using is from our printed pattern collection. So let me just show you real quick. You can get this in 9 different materials printed. We have thousands of patterns. These are just a few. So here I have the adhesive and here I have the HTV. And you can even get it in puff, glitter, and these are just a few of the samples. We have thousands. So you would go under printed pattern vinyl and you would find your pattern that you like, and then you would select your material. I have lots of videos on that also. So now I'm just going to take this full sheet, okay, and see, it's going to work wonderful right over it. All right, so now I am just going to find the top and the bottom. Just make sure that there's no, I'm not really worried about how it's going over it. Now I did make sure that my whole print will cover it. 2 pieces of heat tape. So now I know, because whenever I designed this, I drew a box around it that was 8.5 by 11 and made sure that my Creative Design and Supply glitter would fit on there. So now with the parchment paper in between the shirt and this, we are going to sublimate at 385 for 60 seconds. So now I just give that just a second just to cool off. All right. Oh, wow. Look at that. And so here's the deal. Sublimation has to have a polyester substrate to sublimate on. So even though you may see the yellow and the green in here, once it's washed, it is gone. It has nothing to adhere to. Because the ink, it has to be heated up and it has to be applied to a polyester substrate. So the only polyester substrate on here is your glitter. And so yes, you still can see the yellow, but once you wash it, it is completely gone. All right, I hope that helps someone. If you have any other questions, comment below and I'd be glad to answer them for you. Thanks, and as always, have a great day.